Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. 8th tool. Ridgid 918 Roll Groover. The Ridgid Model 918 hydraulic roll groover features a powerful 15-ton hydraulic ram and a compact, easy-to-transport unit. With one-man setup and operation, the 918 is the ideal groover for job site requirements. The 918 mounts quickly to Ridgid 300 power drive, 535, 1822, or 1224 threading machines. Designed to provide maximum efficiency, the 918 is capable of grooving up to 12 Schedule 10 and 8 Schedule 40 standard wall pipes. Seventh tool. Superior Tool PEX Pocket Crimper. Introducing the PEX Pocket Crimper. The convenient, cost-effective tool that makes PEX work quick and easy. The PEX Pocket Crimper is designed to accommodate 3/8-inch, a ½ and 3/4-inch standard copper PEX rings to meet ASTM F187 specifications. Making a crimp is easy. Simply slide a ring over the PEX tubing and insert your fitting with the copper ring positioned over the barbs on the fitting center. The two halves of the pocket crimper over the ring with your standard 10-inch locking pliers, squeeze the tool closed in 4 or 5 stages. When the crimp is properly done, a piece of paper cannot be slipped between the jaws at the closest point. Now test the crimp with the go/no-go gauge. The go gauge should slide onto the fitting with ease. The no-go gauge must not slide over the fitting. If it does, the tubing must be recut and the joint made once again. 6th tool. Hilti's Double Cut Shear. The Hilti SSH6A22 is a cordless double cut shear designed to cut with accuracy and speed full, leaving a desirable and workable finished edge. This high-performing cordless double cut shear can cut up to 12-gauge mild or galvanized sheet metal, 14-gauge stainless sheet metal, and easily cut overlapped seams. Inducting Hilti SSH6A22 features a unique chip clipping feature that allows you to terminate the cut, precisely removing the need for hand snaps. The SSH6A22 also allows for the use of 5 different cutting blades. The cutter is ideal for stainless steel. The curved cutter cuts with excellent contouring. The spiral cutter is ideal for spiral dots. There are 2 different cutters available for straight cuts, one cutter for processing thin sheets of up to 1.5 mm and one for use on sheet thicknesses of 1.5 to 2.5 mm. Keyless blade changes keep you productive on the job. Variable speed dial allows for the highest level of precision and accuracy, and a slim inline handle makes the SSH6A22 the tool of choice for professional sheet metal contractors. 5th tool. Wolfcraft Contour Gauge. The contour gauge makes it easy to scan and transfer a cutting run on you want to edit material. Transmission of corners and contours simply and accurately. Ideal for accurate fit of laminate, for instance, when the heating pipes. With clamp lever to fix the strobe no moving of the contour. Robust plastic design. Fourth tool. Flexzilla Safety Couplers and Plugs. Introducing Flexzilla Pro Heavy Duty Safety Coupler and Plug with ZVR technology. How you can connect big air tools at zero pressure for quick, easy and safe connections. The Flexzilla connects with just a click and a push of the collar without massive air pressure kicking back and sending a hose flying across the shop. Disconnecting tools is just as easy, so you can save your strength for real work. Instead of fighting with a stubborn coupler, Zibari technology features zero valve restriction to feed your air tools maximum CFM. So nothing stands between your tool and the power it needs, available individually and in 5-piece kits for 3/4 and 1-inch impact 4 inches. Flexzilla Pro Safety Couplers and Plugs, delivering big air for big jobs. Third tool. Makita Random Orbit Polisher. Looking for a powerful polisher that can do more at an automotive detail shop? Look no further than the 5-inch dual-action random auburn polisher engineered with dual action. The polisher is capable of either random orbit with forced rotation. More random, more of it with free rotation. By selecting the desired mode, combined with a 7.8 amp motor and a 7/30 seconds in each orbit diameter, this polisher is powerful and versatile. No matter what the application for increased power, the polisher is equipped with a speed control dial, which enables the operator to match the speed of the application. And of course, all the same high-performance features in Makita polishers remain, including an electronic controller that provides variable speed, soft start and constant speed control, which automatically applies additional power to the motor to maintain speed under load. Second tool. Knipex Tile Breaking Pliers. Knipex tile cutter pliers cut tiles accurately without cutting off machine. For less mess, dust, noise, and effort. Replaceable PAL. Provide ideal protection of tiles from damage. Score the tile with the tile cutter. Turn the tile over and scored end. Adjust easily to the tile thickness at the press of a button. Position jaw centrally over the crack. Press down and brack with 10-fold reinforcement of manual force. Also ideal for breaking narrow strips. Precise and clean break on the tile edge. For tile and porcelain stoneware. Ideal for long and thick tiles and for narrow strips. First tool. Quick Flare Cordless Power Flaring Tool. Equipped with a high-performance, large-capacity rechargeable lithium battery, Navac's new automatic flaring solution makes flaring faster and far simpler without sacrificing accuracy or consistency. Designed to perform reliably in harsh environments, the NEF6Li cordless power flare also offers variable speed control and quick connect functionality. It comes in a sturdy blow-molded case with 4 tube holders, 6 commonly sized flare dies, 2 batteries, a charger, a premium tubing cutter and a deburring tool. Traditional, manual flaring tools are largely dependent on the individual installer's expertise, a factor that can lead to inconsistent, often damaged flares. We hope you liked these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.